we cook again a boiling corn, sweet corn. Okay, so this is the tips for today: how to save money instead using a range or electric or power in Canada, Saskatchewan. So I give you a tips to save your money for the bills of power, woods, propane gas, and charcoal for this cooking boiled sweet corn. Okay, see, sweet corn. Okay, it's only using by paper and cardboards like this. Okay, so if you earn a lot of cardboards and paper, so it's save your money. Okay, save your money. It's easy to burn. Even you will not burn your money. Okay, that's the technique. It will not burn your money. In my tips of blog for today. Okay, see, only paper cardboards of McDonald's. That's the best how to save your money, especially if it's slow in your work. No part time, only one job for now. Because of it's slow, still wasting your time to other job. Yeah, like before, way back 2015 to 2016. That's a poor part-time job. So now only one job. So we need to, you know, increase your knowledge, experience, and ideas how to save your money now. But your body not tired, not stressful. Okay. Instead, pay for your cardboards for this cooking sweet corn. You cannot waste your money. Okay, just cardboard. Still boiling. See how it's boiling instead using a power. See, so how it works. Okay, save your money. That's the best thing to do in life right now. Okay, save your money. Any cardboards you want, just earn every day. Especially like this. This is my cardboards. Okay, so if you want to use this, no need too much electricity. Just put it, burn it, you cook it. Okay, see, any cardboard as long as it's dry. It big helps. Okay, for the boiling sweet corn. Excuse me. Okay, so subscribe and click the notification bell for more tips to come from the past, from the present. Okay, one of the most important. Even you're in other country, as long you have a backyard, see, like a eating dog, like a pet's. Once burning, he boiled it. Okay, that's the most thing to do use your head, your mind, imagination. Okay, so you can create some important for your life, okay? For daily needs. This, if you use this power, maybe your bills become 1,900, 800. Now my bills today is 900 plus, but I paid 200, so 700 for now. So I will buy arrangement. So if you use your head right now and watch this video, you have a good idea even cooking dishes, rice, and food. How to cook, save money. See, it's easy and basic, fundamental. Okay, just burn it instead. After you earn it, let's eat. That's it, the best you can do. Less garbage, less money. KFC box, always keep it. So one times you have a chance not raining here, you can use it as a fire. See how it works. Instead of buying and buying and buying and buying. See, lots of stocks. So guys, subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video for this week until the end of this week. So continue subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video for my YouTube channel. So how it works, my tips to you. Only you can do. Think, save, not waste. Stop shopping in, buying clothes from head to toe. I stop it because I'm the only one who's working and budgeting our bills, the house bills, from the different types of bills. So we need to use your head now, okay, as a platform. You can think every day how to do this, how to save this, how to earn this, okay. That's the reality in life, okay. I never use woods because if necessary it's good, but only a boiling for my sweet corn only. So I never use this for now, okay. Even I have a charcoal, I never use my charcoal. It's only for the barbecue, not for the sweet corn. Okay, so that's the best idea in life. Keep your space at the back of your backyard. You can use that as your space. See how it works, the boiling sweet corn. See, the boiling sweet corn. So see you guys. So subscribe and click the notification bell for the latest video for this week. So just comment, likes, and subscribe and share. Okay, see you guys. This is the tips for today about how to save your money in summertime. Okay, so that's all guys. See you again.